everyone, my name's Lauren and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making clear slime. I actually haven't made this recipe before. I have made it with normal glue, so I'm going to try it with clear glue and hopefully it makes clear slime. There are only 4 things you will need, 2 ingredients, 4 things. So you will need a container or a bowl. I'm just using this container because I don't want to get my bowl dirty if this goes terribly wrong. You will need a spoon or something to mix it with because you don't want to use your hands until like after it gets together a little bit, so yeah. You also need some Tide detergent. Actually, it can be any detergent, but I like to use Tide. And make sure it's like... and then you'll also need some clear glue, hoping it will work with this clear glue. And then after, if it does work, we're going to put some sparkles in. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this container and this glue, and we're just going to take the cap right off of the glue. So, just like this. Perhaps I shouldn't be doing this on my bed, but it's too late. And then we're just going to pour this all in there. Okay, that's about as much as we're going to get out of that, so just going to put that back on. You're going to take your detergent, and you do not want to add too much at the start. You're just going to add little by little. So let's put a little bit in. Maybe a little more just to start. So now we're going to take our spoon and we're just going to start mixing it up. You can see it's already starting to become slimy, and it is blue, which is fine. Now since it's still kind of stuck around the sides and on the bottom, if you look close you can see, we're just going to add a little bit more of this. Might have been too much, but that's fine. You can see it's still a little bit sticky, so we're just going to add a tiny bit more detergent. I think I might have added like a lot too much, but that's why we have more glue. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more glue from this because it's just a little bit too like clumpy now since I put a little too much detergent. I'm just going to put like the tiniest bit. I'm actually not even going to take the cap off. I'm just going to get my hands right into there now because it's pretty much done. It's kind of like really gross. It is starting to come off my hands, if you can see. So yeah, you just gotta work it in with your hands. You can't do it all with the spoon. And as you can see right now, it doesn't look very clear, but it's just because there's a lot of air in it since we're mixing it. I don't know why I'm like out of breath, but just because I'm kind of out of shape and not fit at all. It's honestly a workout. Like, I'm so out of breath, I can barely breathe. So we're just gonna keep on mixing this up. So now it's almost completely off my hands. So you saw before it was really sticky and gross, but now it is pretty much off. It's still a little bit sticky for slime, but as I play with it more, it'll get less sticky. Okay, so we're just gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then until some of those air bubbles go away, and so that it'll actually be more clear. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go get my sparkles. Alright, so as you can see, this has gotten a little bit clear. It doesn't look too clear, and It's not as clear as I hoped it would be, but it's pretty good for my first time making clear slime. So yeah, so we're just gonna add some sparkles now because why not? It's very nice. It's not the clearest I was hoping, but like I think that's pretty good, to be honest. So I mean, it could have gone a lot worse. It could have not even made slime. Oh, I just shot some somewhere. So I've got these silver and blue sparkles, and we're gonna put both in, and hopefully it looks really good. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really sad. Ooh, that already looks so good. I'm gonna have sparkles all over my bed, but it's fine. Okay, and now we're gonna do the blue one. So we're gonna add a little bit more of both. This is honestly getting all over my bed, and it's fine. It's whatever. Anything for YouTube, right? Oh, it's actually looking really good. Wow, that actually looks so pretty. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, no! No, it's not my blanket. No, it's the new blanket too. No! That's not okay. Okay, well, whatever. I'm really happy it turned out. So pretty and nice. It's not the clearest. It's not as clear as I hoped it would be. But I think I did pretty good considering I've never made clear slime before. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave a like if you like this video and subscribe. And also comment down below any videos you think I should do in the future or any video ideas or anything like that. So yeah, thank you. Bye. Can we just take a minute to mourn over this? It's a new blanket and wow, I'm so mad. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god. Are you joking? I'm so mad. Go die, slime. Okay, so I forgot to put this in my outro, but I hope that you all have a happy new year and that your 2017 was good. And yeah, bye!